Unlock your reading comprehension. Visualize information with mind maps. Hello, language learners. Today we are going to explore a fantastic strategy for improving your reading comprehension: visualizing information. Specifically, we will learn how to create mind maps. Mind maps are a powerful tool to make the information from your readings more digestible and memorable. So, let's get started. A mind map is a visual representation of information. It is an innovative way to connect ideas and visualize concepts. Think of it as a diagram with a central idea in the middle, and branches representing related ideas. It's like drawing a map of your thoughts. Mind maps can be incredibly beneficial for your English learning journey. They help in improving memory, organizing ideas, and enhancing creativity. More importantly, they aid in better comprehension while reading. Creating a mind map is a fun and creative process. Here are the steps. 1. Start in the center. Write the main idea or topic in the center of your paper or digital canvas. This is the heart of your mind map. 2. Add branches for main ideas. Draw lines branching out from the central idea. At the end of each line, write a main idea related to your central topic. 3. Add sub-branches for details. For each main idea, draw smaller lines branching out and write details or sub-ideas related to each main idea. 4. Use colors and images. Make your mind map more engaging and memorable by using different colors for different ideas. Add images or symbols where appropriate. Now that you know how to create a mind map, let's practice. Take a short text, maybe a paragraph or two, and create a mind map out of it. Start with the main idea in the center, add branches for the key points, and sub-branches for the details. Remember to use colors and images to make it lively and memorable. And there you have it, a simple and fun way to boost your reading comprehension: visualizing information using mind maps. Try to incorporate this strategy into your English learning routine. Remember, the more you practice, the better you'll get at it. Thanks for watching, and happy learning!